I wasn't recording.
Oh,
Damn
geez,
it.
really?
Really?
How the candidates are looking to sway undecided voters in Wisconsin starting today.
Plus, changes could be coming down the line. The local leaders meeting today in an effort to change the minimum wage.
But first, we're on weather and traffic watch. Some rain falling in a few areas, so maximum is on deck. But first, let's check in with meteorologist Jeremy Nelson. Morning, Jeremy.
Hey, good Wednesday morning, everyone. Grab an umbrella. Keep that with not only for today, but you can just store it in your car or bring it into the office because it's going to be needed on and off right through Friday and probably right into Saturday. Here's the right on that. Currently, we have maybe a couple of leftover showers, but most of the area starting out with cloudy skies. Kind of damp and dreary out there for some overnight rain showers, and temperatures are cool/chilly across the area. It's 50 degrees right now.
Over here.
We're seeing the northwest breeze at 5 minutes, and those winds turn off from the lake at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. You'll feel that breeze pick up around midday. Cool wind this afternoon, 60 degrees. That's it for the time. Some showery weather with a couple of on and off showers expected throughout the day. We'll talk more about the weekend forecast coming up. First, an update on the morning meet with Matt. If you don't have that luxury, you can throw the car and drive.
Will you touch him?
Here you can see a little bit of wet pavements. You're going to be dealing with some misty drizzle and some road spray as you make your way down. But right now, what you won't be dealing with is the system on. You're seeing green. Just a little bit of breeze here on the bypass northbound. Pretty typical stuff. So right now, trip 894 northbound from the Hale interchange up to the Dual interchange. No problem right now. That's what's the morning commute. 10. We have some breaking news from overnight. Steel, the largest beer company, clears its final hurdle. SAB Miller says its shareholders have approved this merger despite opposition from investors. Beer maker Anheuser-Busch InBev will buy SAB Miller for $103 billion. Now, government regulators in different countries have already approved this deal. This new combined company will now control.
She ain't gonna go down there yet. She knows it's in there.
You order for me to leave it in there?
That this merger will flesh
Leave it in there
hurt
for a
smaller
little bit.
brewers and create a
She'll forget.
places for customers all over the world. Ben, Melinda, back to you this week. Thank you, Tim. 6:02 this morning on the Clinton 2016, the race for the White House. We are less than 2 days after the first presidential debate, and now the campaigns turning their attention to Wisconsin. Donald Trump is campaigning in Waukesha just hours from now. WISN 12 News' Taylor Puff is live for us this morning at the Waukesha Expo Center now with look ahead.
Well, good morning, Ben. This is one of the many stops on Donald Trump's campaign tour here. As he and other candidates make it a point to visit a lot of these states. This is Trump's second visit to the Waukesha Expo Center here in just a matter of months. He was last inside there in August. Now, the Republican presidential candidate is expected to take the stage tonight at 6 o'clock. That's after a stop in Florida following the debate. Trump spending a few hours in the Midwest today. He will also be in Council Bluffs, Iowa for a 3 p.m. rally. As he leaves there, it's right across the border to Wisconsin, where the doors open here at the Expo Center at 3
No, get back over there.
But according to Trump's website, there are no more tickets available. Now back here live outside the Expo Center, it won't be all Trump supporters out here. The group Voces de la Frontera tells WISN 12 News big friend to protest is Trump